Hyperlink tag is denoted with letter A. The letter A is used because it means anchor text. Hyperlinks are displayed to user as underlined text. Several attributes can be specified with hyperlink tag. Most important is href. Href attribute which tells browser which link to open when user clicks on text. So basically when user clicks on a text, then a link is opened. HTML5 includes new attributes. Example, you can use download to tell the browser to begin downloading a file. So download is also an attribute. That means we can tell browser to begin downloading a file when user clicks on a link. So this is also attribute. Target specified in href attribute can be a local file or any URL. Syntax you use will be a href. So this is the format basically for URL to open. So format is basically a href is equal to URL to open. That means we are typing our URL here, then text displayed to user, and then closing of a. Now most web page developers put descriptive text that is more readable and amendable to search engine. So most web page developer puts descriptive text that is more relatable to a search engine. These days people automatically know underlined blue text is hyperlink. So people are very familiar with hyperlink text nowadays. Here is an example that will display a link to New York Times website. First is body, then which is opening of body, then hello world, then break, then a href is equal to the link for newyorktimes.com, then New York Times, a close, then again break. So here output is hello world and New York Times, and when we click on New York Times, we will it will refer to http slash nytimes.com. Now suppose you want to open a file on your own server. Consider a case of web page named about.html in same directory. First is body open, then hello world, then break, that means on next line, then a, that is for hyperlink, a href is equal to about.html. So this is link. Then he is writing about us, then a close and break. So if the file was in a folder called info, so that means we can open our own file also, which is on our server. So we have to write its location on our server, which can be called by this href method, which is a href is equal to, here writing file name, that is about .html. So .html is extension. Then he is writing about us, that means this is user text for user, about us is text for user, then a close, then again break. That means first we have written here break, so here it is closed. If the file is in some folder, for example info folder, that means the folder is named info here, then you would write body. So body is starting here, then hello world. So this is message hello world. Now break, that means we have to write on next line. Now a href is equal to about.html, then slash info, that means this is folders name info, slash about us, then we are closing a, and then break. Often links are placed in the middle of a text string. A space href is equal to http slash slash